Hello everyone. This video has been made for Ujjivan employees to get or to understand how to log in into Swayam 2.0 application and which are the mandatory modules, how to complete those modules, everything this covers in this video. So just first step you have to do is download Swayam 2.0 application from Play Store. Once you get the downloaded, you have to open the app. Do not enter a username or password in this areas. You have to click sign in with ADFS. Sign in with ADFS. You have to click on sign in with ADFS. Once you click, there will be the one new Ujjivan ADFS page will occur. So first you have to enter your employee ID. After that @ujjivan.com. And the password which you have set for your system password or your Darwinbox password, you have to enter that password. Once you enter the password, you have to click sign in. It will take 5 to 10 seconds for authentication. Once it get authenticated, you will see the dashboard page on Swayam application. So this application is made, this is called LMS, Learning Management System. All e-learning modules, your test, feedback will be assigned to you on this application. So you have to click on My Courses, which is in middle of this dashboard, My Courses. You have to click on My Courses. Once you click on the My Courses, you will see your status over here: assigned, not started, in progress, and completed. So first you have to click on assigned course. There are multiple courses which by default you will get assigned. So out of that, the 4 are mandatory modules you have to complete. So first is Code of Conduct. The Code of Conduct. You have to click on Code of Conduct course. If you see, I have completed my module. So here you will see my completion ratio over here. So what you have to do, these are the 6 chapters under the Code of Conduct. You have to complete one by one. So here you will see my completion status over here. There is a green tick. So I will show you an example. If you click on any of this, it will take a time. It will open. You have to just go through that image, read it, understand it. You have to click on back and one green tick automatically will appear. Once you completed these modules, you have to click on a logo which is for assessment. So this logo goes to the assessment, and here you can start your assessment over here. You have to click on start assessment. Okay, and so this will be assessment will be started. Same you have to do for information security refresher module. After that, there is a one mandatory module, Posh Hindi or Posh English. So out of 2 you can do any one, either Hindi or English. So these you have to complete those. So 4 modules have been assigned you. Just kindly logged in into Swayam and check it out.